Alright, so I got this foam cannon from Harbor Freight the other day. I wanted to start using it when I wash my side-by-side or car or whatever, but it came with this quick disconnect fitting on the one end, and my pressure washer is pretty old, and it just had 1/4 inch NPT holding this spray nozzle on the end. So when I took this off, I realized, you know, obviously I have no way to connect that, but I did find these quick disconnect pressure washer fittings. You know, they're rated for hydraulic, 4,000 PSI max, and they are 1/4 inch NPT. So you've got 1/4 inch NPT male here. This goes on, threads onto your female quick disconnect here, and then you've got your male end, which the pressure washer or the foam cannon came with. So that'll just go on there like that, and then I can put this piece into my regular spray nozzle and then put that on and off anytime I want to. And I can also get those fancy little colored tips like all the new pressure washers are coming with. So anyway, 15 bucks for that. Again, I got that from Tractor Supply. That's kind of what it looks like. I thought I needed two, but I actually only need one for the stuff that I've got. So I'll return this one, but that's what you're looking for.